Hello people, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about Capcut application, and I would like to show you the way how you can make your audio sounds muffled on the Capcut application. So whenever you make the audio sounds muffled, so that those audio will sound have like a distance with the camera whenever it's cut shut. So here is the tutorial. You just need to open the Capcut, open the project that you want to add the audio from, and then you just need to go click this audio. Now here I would like to do the voiceover first. How to make audio sounds muffled with the Capcut application. And here I already do the voiceover, and I would like to make this voiceover that I just made become a muffle. How to do that? You just need to go clip the clip here, the audio clip, and there will be like bring you into the option of voice effects. So you just need to go click it, and now you just need to go click this retro, and then you just need to use this microphone. How to make audio sounds muffled with the Capcut application. Now you just need to go click this checklist button. So those are the result. So yeah, that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video a lot. And let's meet again into other tutorial.